How to start delivery order in Buffalo Wild Wings. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. It's really simple to order delivery from Buffalo Wild Wings. I'll show you how. Let's get started. You need to head over to your browser and then go to Buffalo Wild Wings official website. Then you can see your location on the top right. Just tap on it. It is set to pick up. By default, you need to tap on switch to delivery. So you can enter your delivery address and then you can hit enter. And then once you find the location, you will need to tap on the location and then you can order for delivery. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.